Hi, my name is Bill Hazard. I am the president of Novo Precision. We actually have three businesses here: Novo Precision, Novo Metal Finishing Equipment, and Novo Lean Solutions. Assembly is something we have a very strong capability with here at Novo. We say our mission is to simply solve our customer's problem. Depending on what the customer need is, we will help with the design. That could be designing their product, designing the manufacturing process, depending on the situation, whatever the customer needs. We have very strong engineering and tool making capability here, so we can build our manufacturing process internally. We operate at a high level here. And then we have an improvement team. We actually have a consulting company that works out of Novo, which will work on continually improving our processes here. We have a very strong systemic approach to continuous improvement. We have our own in-house automation capabilities. We also are very strongly vertically integrated. So if there's sub-assemblies or components which are needed in your product, we have the ability to make those here as well to supply the assembly product. We have a huge depth of assembly experience in both mechanical and electrical assembly as well. We will work with our customers depending on the need that they have, so we can help with the design if required, or some customers may have existing products that they just need help in the manufacturing process development. Based on the need of the customer, we can tailor how we support the customer. I think our uniqueness is we will work on improvement strategies, and we will always have improvement strategies, right? So whether that is working on the assembly process, whether that is working on an automation strategy, whether that's working on a quality process or quality strategy, and we are very focused and always looking on how we can improve how we're making the product. We also have our own internal improvement team. We have a group of 4 engineers on that team, and that team both works on external projects and internal projects here. So that team is always going to be engaged in processes to improve our manufacturing processes. We have a systematic approach where we're looking at safety, quality, delivery, cost, and morale, and we're always trying to improve on all of those. In particular, our quality strategy, we have a huge emphasis on process capability from a SPC standpoint, ensuring that our processes are capable of delivering and exceeding customer expectations. We are always working on systematically reducing lead times. A lot of times there, we'll design and build equipment so we can make components internally. The biggest benefit is we will manage this process for you. We're very open, but we will take and basically manage this for you. You can be involved as much as you want to be, or not involved as much as you want to be. I think one of the things which is often not appreciated is I think it's a huge benefit of having your partner close, so that if there's ever an issue, you can be there kind of on the same side of the table working on the issue together. Both you and your partner are investing a huge amount into this relationship, and if it doesn't work out, then both parties are significantly impacted. I think it is a very important decision to pick an outsourced assembly partner for your product. If your product falls into Novo's capability, I think you definitely should talk to us here at Novo, because we could be a really good strategic partner for you.